Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Guy Hub. And today I'll be talking about how to send anonymous email. Yeah. So if you are thinking of sending an email to someone, but you don't want to reveal your identity and you don't want to create another email account, then this video is for you. Yeah. So visit this website, anonymous. Visit this website, anonymousemail.me. Anonymousemail.me. Okay. So that's the website. Yeah. And that's it. So the two section, the two, the person that you are trying to send the email to, the recipient address. So enter in the recipient address in here. So let me enter in. So enter in the recipient address. So let me enter in. Yeah, yeah, and in here the subject you can just type in that the subject of the email that you want to send. Then you type in the message. You type in the message. So after you're done with that, if you want to attach any files also, then you have to subscribe to their premium service before you can attach files to the email. If not, then just send the message, type the message in there, and just tap on the send, and that's it. You have successfully, sent an anonymous email to someone without revealing your identity. Yeah. So if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and also give a sweet comment. And see you in the next video.